Are you tired of constantly battling pet hair around your home? Say goodbye to the frustration and hello to hassle-free cleaning with the Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the features that make this vacuum a game-changer for pet owners and multi-surface cleaning enthusiasts alike. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Unparalleled pet hair pickup. The Shark ZU503AMZ is equipped with a revolutionary self-cleaning brush roll designed to tackle pet hair with unmatched efficiency. Unlike traditional vacuums that often get bogged down with hair wrap, this innovative feature ensures continuous suction power, leaving your floors pristine and hair-free. Say goodbye to tedious maintenance and hello to effortless cleaning. Versatile cleaning options. With its lift-away functionality, this vacuum offers unparalleled versatility. Easily detach the pod to clean hard-to-reach areas such as stairs, upholstery, and furniture, making it a breeze to tackle every corner of your home. Whether you're dealing with stubborn pet hair or everyday messes, the Shark ZU503AMZ has you covered. Allergy-proof your home. If you suffer from allergies, the Shark ZU503AMZ is your new best friend. Featuring anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter, this vacuum traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside, ensuring cleaner air for you and your loved ones. Breathe easier knowing that your home is free from airborne irritants. Effortless maneuverability. Navigating around furniture and tight spaces has never been easier thanks to the Shark ZU503AMZ's swivel steering feature. Say goodbye to cumbersome vacuuming experiences and hello to effortless maneuverability. Whether you're cleaning under tables or around corners, this vacuum effortlessly glides with you every step of the way. Tailored tools for pet owners. Pet owners rejoice. The Shark ZU503AMZ comes equipped with a range of specialized tools to tackle pet hair and debris with ease. From the pet crevice tool for those hard-to-reach spaces to the upholstery tool for delicate fabrics, no pet hair stands a chance against this vacuum. Experience a deeper clean and say hello to a hair-free home. What's included? When you purchase the Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, you'll receive everything you need to tackle pet hair and beyond. The package includes the Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, upholstery tool, pet crevice tool, and owner's guide, ensuring you have all the tools necessary for a thorough clean. In conclusion, the Shark ZU503AMZ Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is a game-changer for pet owners and anyone seeking a powerful, versatile cleaning solution. With its self-cleaning brush roll, lift-away functionality, and allergy-proof design, it's no wonder why this vacuum has become a must-have for homes everywhere. Say goodbye to pet hair woes and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the Shark ZU503AMZ. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.